If I started reselling on Facebook Marketplace from scratch, I'll do this. I'm gonna break it down to you. And it's so easy. It's so easy to get started. You don't need no experience, it's free. It might cost some gas, but that's pretty much it. But let's get into it. My name is Kamari Day. Welcome to the channel. This is the K for Knowledge channel. K for the beginning of my first name, which is Kamari, for knowledge. Let's get into it. So first, you need to download these apps on your phone. Get your phone, whether you got an Android, iPhone, you got a computer, and you can download apps on there. Get your phone. Download Google. That's the first app that you need to download. You download Google. Let me tell you why. Because Google is going to give you all your information that you need to put in Facebook. All right. So you download Google, right? And then you got Google downloaded. I'm gonna give you some time. 1, 2, 3. All right. You got Google downloaded, right? Download Google. Then this is what you want to do. So once you download Google, you want to go into the search bar and thought I saw somebody. You want to go into the search bar, and then it's gonna be like I'm gonna pop it up right here. What it's gonna be? You want to click that, and you want to take a picture of your item. Say I got some headphones right here, right? I got some headphones. And I take a picture, right? Boom, got the picture. You want to make sure you get a good quality picture, preferably some lighting. Got some light in the wherever you at. Take a picture of the product. It's not the picture that you're gonna. I mean, you could already take a picture of the product, and that's gonna be your product. I mean, that's gonna be the picture that you're gonna put on. I'm overcomplicating this. Just take a picture of your product, whatever, on Google. Then you got the picture, and then AI is gonna get some information on the item and tell you what the item is and how much it's gonna go for on eBay, Amazon, all those places that sell, just like Facebook Marketplace. It's gonna tell you what the item is, the exact name it is, the brand of the item, whether it's Louis V slippers, whether it's a laptop, anything. It's going to tell you anything that you need to know about the product that you're trying to sell. And yes, it's a product. It's not just something you're selling. It's a product. So you need to treat it as a product and be professional about it. All right. So you're going to use, I already told you about Google. So next, the app that you want to use, it's only going to be 3 apps. Download Facebook. Why you need to download Facebook? This is because you need Facebook so you can list the item and get it into the group. So download Facebook, and then I'm gonna pop up pictures because I can't show you because I'm recording on my phone. I'm gonna pop up pictures of what you want to do. So you want to upload your image. You want to list the item. You want to fill in the information that you got from Google, all the information about the product, what the product is called, the price, all that information, all that jazz. You want to fill that into Facebook. And then once you get done with that, I think it's a next button that you hit or whatever. But I want you to list your item, your product, in as much groups as possible. All right. The maximum is 20 groups. List it in 20. Don't list it in nothing below 20. List it in the maximum amount of groups that you can, because the more groups, the more reach, the more people that's gonna see your product. And that's what you want. You want visibility on your product. You want the highest visibility you can, so you can get the product sold fast. You want the fast money, don't you? I'm putting you on game. So you got Facebook downloaded. So now you already listed it into the groups. So next, you need to download Messenger. While you download Messenger, this is how you're gonna negotiate, text your customer back and forth if y'all want to change the price. If they want to change the price and they have a budget, that's how you're gonna text them and communicate with them is Messenger. So download Messenger. And all these apps work well together. I'm telling you. I've used it myself, and I still continue to use it. And the thing about Facebook is I've had items on Facebook Marketplace that's been on there for months. And then now, after 3 months, people are hitting me up. So, like, Messenger, you just sit back and wait for customers to hit you up about the item. It don't matter how long it's been since you put the item on there. Somebody will reach out, and if they don't, then they probably just not messing with your product, or they already got something. They don't, you know what I'm saying? And also with Facebook, it's like somewhere you can see how many people saw the amount of products you have. If you only have one on there, you can see how many people have viewed your marketplace and your listings and your items. So that's a good factor. So you want to download those apps, and I told you how to utilize those apps, and I told you how to fill in the item information. I also told you how to list it in a group, and I told you, I didn't tell you yet, but now what you need to do, this is probably the last step. What you now need to do, turn on your notifications and just sit back. Like I said, I've listed items on there, and I'm just now getting a word from a customer, and the items been on Facebook Marketplace for 3 years. 3 months. So they will hit you if they're interested. Do not I don't advise you to put ads on your products. I haven't did that, but I mean, you could research about it, but I've done it for free from scratch. This is no experience, and this is just me testing the waters. I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad I found this method to make money. This is another way to make income, and if you're interested into making more income, because the gas prices is rising, the gas prices is rising, and all that type of jazz, and everything is rising. So this is a way to make more income, and hopefully you found this worth your time and valuable to you, and hopefully it educated you. My name is Kamari Day. This is the K for Knowledge channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notifications on for more future videos. And I'm going crazy. I'm posting every single day, so it's gonna be a free game for you every single day. So share with your family members, please. That's the least you could do. The least you could do is nothing. The least you could do is watch this video if you're interested, or you know what I'm saying. But I appreciate you for your time, and I'm out. Yeah.